YDS is an EU project, Innovation Action Project, co-funded by the European Commission. The overall idea of the project is to use open governmental data for public financial flows in order to increase transparency, fight corruption, and of course enhance collaboration and enhance participation. What we try to do is to deliver the tools and the platform in order to enable simple users like citizens or journalists or public servants to be able to interact with this data, remix and have be able to play with this data in order to get some meaningful stories, as we call it, out of there. So this is the main idea behind this. So I work for Athens Technology Center as a Deputy Head of Innovation Lab. We are responsible for the overall project coordination, but at the same time we serve the project as technology providers, since we are responsible for the integration of the YDS platform, while at the same time we're responsible for delivering the YDS applications.
So we're at NForce. We're the leaders of the data layer work package, where we help develop this unifying conceptual model for the domain of economy. And we also help harvest data about the Dutch government's activities throughout the world, things like official development assistant data and data on international trade activities. And we build services for accessing this data.
Hi, we are DW Innovation, Deutsche Welle's innovation department. Deutsche Welle is the foreign broadcaster of Germany. And we're part of YourDataStory as one of the user partners, as well as the responsible partner for dissemination actions. That means we're in charge of the website, as well as the different social media channels, such as Twitter or LinkedIn. We also do some of the requirements from a journalistic point of view, and also add to the development of the project from that point of view.
Greek Free Open Source Software Society has the part of our part in the project is mostly from the user's perspective and how open data can be used and reused from the user's point of view in order to have more transparency and fight corruption in how public money is being used in Greece and in Europe in general. And we are also contributing to the legal and ethical aspects of the project.
Hello, I'm working with the Insight Centre for Data Analytics at NUI Galway in Ireland, and we're working on the YourDataStories project. We're mainly looking after Pilot 3, which is cross-European financial comparability, and that looks at data mainly focusing on Ireland and Greece, but it'll be comparing high-level data right across all the European Union countries, and we'll be looking at international data, at national data, and at local data.
National Science Research Foundation Democritus is working on creating a model for economic open data. The idea is to interlink data about the economy from various diverse sources around Europe and the world. So the idea is how we can orchestrate them in order to be useful for journalists, professionals, and the government itself.
I work for the Ministry of Interior and Administrative Reconstruction. We take part in this project and mainly involved in the first pilot, Follow Public Money. So far, we've been involved in organizing focus groups, gathering user requirements. We have called people from other public organizations, from journalists and non-profit other organizations. Their acceptance of the project has been very encouraging, and they find it very interesting.